In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Riot client not launching on your PC. First, what you want to do is come down here and search for Task Manager, go to Details and sort by the name, click anywhere and press R, look for any Riot client related stuff and end the task. After that, press L and look for any League of Legends, end the task, and then V for Valorant and end the task. Now you don't need to close down Vanguard, just everything else. Now once you've done that, find your Riot client, right click, Properties, Compatibility, and activate these two. Now once you've done this, we want to allow it through our firewall, so search for Windows Defender Firewall, allow an app right here, change settings and look for Riot client. If it's already in here, just tick both of these boxes. If it's not in here, you want to press allow another app, browse, and then find it right here by right clicking, open file location, and then you can see right here. You can simply click up here and Control C, Control V, enter, and it should be right here. Now, like I said, once you've done that, tick both of these, and then you can close it down again. After that, you want to type CMD, right click, run as an administrator, and you should have it here. Type ipconfig /flush DNS, and then type netsh winsock reset. Now after you've done this, restart your PC and your Riot client should hopefully work again. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.